today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your Sonic Boom app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. Until you're looking for Sonic Boom app, or just click on search here, then here add Sonic Boom app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.